I'm out here today building a new fence. Got a little lazy right here and use the trees. It's behind my parents' house, and their old fence was put up in 1972. This is what happens when you get two different heights of fence wire, I guess you'd say. It's kind of a mess. I'm gonna put another post there. This is 2 days work for one person. We're gonna take their old fence out over that old one there where the chickens are. This post is 2 feet. I think it was 26 inches on the ground. That's gonna hang a gate on it. Use the winch on the bighorn to stretch the fence. Worked really good. It's a lot easier. Get all these posts up, ready to attach to that. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to fence off this whole field. There'll be more videos of that.